Welcome back. If you have yet to pick up anything for Mom this Mother's Day, Richardson gift shop owner Doris Bogus has some ideas that you can put together.
Hi, I'm Doris Bogus with A Moment in Time, and I'm going to show you some gift ideas for all age groups to give to that special someone in your life. Now, these gift ideas are suitable for both guys and girls. Now, the first idea would be a gift that a child would give, and I call it the color of love. And all you'll need is a white cardboard box, a huge box of crayons, at least 64 to 96 count. You can use school glue or you can use a glue gun, a waterproof container, and Mom's favorite bunch of colorful flowers. Now what you want to do is glue ribbon around the perimeter and the base of the box, like so. And if you're working with hot glue, of course use caution. And if you're working with school glue, you really don't need a lot, just a little bit, to keep the product in place, the ribbon and the crayons in place. And I snip the end. And then next what we want to do is add crayons or glue crayons around the middle of the box. And I'll just show you an example of a few, and then I'll show you the entire container. Now here's an example of a completed box, very colorful. And now what we want to do is get Mom's favorite bunch of colorful flowers and then insert them into the waterproof container. You want to handwrite a note card that says, "I love you," in different colors of crayons, and then insert the container into the box, and then insert the card and the flowers. And now you've got a great gift idea from a child's heart to the heart of someone that they really love. And this next gift idea is ideal for the teen guy, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. And what's really popular right now is bouquet jewelry, and they come in all kinds of designs and colors and shape, and they really transform an ordinary arrangement into something really special. Now I've chosen a trendy vase, and I'm just going to take Mom's favorite color, and you choose one color, guys, because it's just easier that way. I'm just going to insert them into the vase that I've chosen. I know that you can do this for this special lady in your life, and you've got a gift that Mom's going to love. And this next spa gift basket idea is an ideal way for that teen girl to spend one-on-one time with that very special lady in her life. And then this basket has everything in it for a home spa, a manicure, a pedicure, and a facial, all provided compliments of you. Now what you'll need to do is fill a large container with crumpled paper, and you'll want to start placing items from back to front. And I've got a container here to hold some of the products, and I've chosen a jewelry box, and it does double duty. It just holds everything and keeps everything in place. Her favorite bath products. Just insert everything very snug. Find a place for everything to fit in. Set frame in there. And this camera is just an ordinary disposable one, but you could use your own. And add the spa slippers, the body gloves, and an eye mask. Now the great thing about this is, since you're not going very far, you don't need to shrink wrap it. All you'll need is some decorative cello paper, and I've chosen this very pretty one with roses on it. So you can just add the decorative cello paper to it. You can hand make a bow or either buy one pre-made and tie it to the packaging. And now you've got a great gift idea for that teen girl to spend some one-on-one time with that special lady in her life. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed some of these great gift ideas for that special person in your life for that special occasion. Again, I'm Doris Bogus with A Moment in Time.
The feature